Let's start off with the drop indicator the same way we started off on the board. You can see the body of this indicator is very true to the 1, 2, 3 block that it's sitting on. Let's lower it down and zero it out. Suppose that would help, wouldn't it? Okay. Repeatable, straight, true, 600 block, which means this needle should come back around to zero. Which it does. And it'll come back to zero as long as whatever gauge block you stick under there is naturally incremental 100 thou. But this is nice and straight, so you're going to get a true reading. That's the whole idea. Let's kick it. Considerable angle. Zero it. Exact same block, 600. This is the cosine error demonstrated on the board. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to 650 before you stick the block under there. There you go. 637.